One of the most common questions I get on an everyday basis is, how do I make my own digital planner? If I want to make a digital planner, how can I make that for myself, for my own business, whatever? So today, I'm bringing you all the answers. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Stansberry and I am pumped that you are here. I bring you all kinds of tips and tricks and tools to help you design a business and a life that you love. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit subscribe below. So about a year ago, well, over a year ago now, like 18 months ago, I created my first digital planner. And the reason I did it was because I wanted something for myself and I wanted to be able to use my iPad and all the things. And after I created it, I was like, you know what? Nobody's talking about this on YouTube right now. Let me go do that. And the video went viral. Then I created a 2020 line of planners and put out another video about digital planning, and that video went semi-viral at least. And from that, the most asked question that I get into my community right now is, how do I make my own digital planner? Can I make my own? Can you make me one? Like all kinds of how do I get one that's exactly what I want, or get one and make one to sell it? And here's the thing. If you want to create and sell digital planners and that sounds like something that's amazing for you, I want you to have the tools to do that. I don't hold the market in it. I love it. But it's also like a very kind of spur of the moment thing that I did a few years ago. And I am totally fine with you designing your own planner and putting it up for sale on your website or on Etsy or whatever. So because though, that is not generally what I teach here on this channel, and because I'm not really interested in teaching people how to design digital planners, I have asked my friend Lisa from Pretty Fabulous Designs, who is an amazing, amazing resource for all things planner businesses. Like if you want to have any type of planner as a business, printed planners, digital planners, printable planners, whatever, she is an awesome resource. But also she's an awesome resource at design and InDesign and laying things out and teaching you exactly what you need to do in that respect. So I personally used InDesign to design mine. I know there are several different tools you can use, but I have brought on my friend Lisa to give you some tips and tricks on how to design your own digital planner, how to put it up for sale, all the things you might be wondering. So let's just get over to her.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to go follow me over at Pretty Fabulous Designs. Now today I wanted to share with you 4 easy peasy steps to get up and running with digital planners. I know a lot of you would love to create your own digital planner, whether you would like to sell those on Etsy or on your website, or maybe you just want to make one for yourself. So I have the first step, which is super easy, which is you simply need to design it. So regardless of what tool you use, you need to think about, when people open your planner, like, what cover do you want to have on there? What are the pages that they're going to see inside? Are you going to have an annual at a glance look? Are you going to have a monthly followed by some weekly layouts? And will those weekly layouts be vertical, where you have Monday through Sunday across the 2-page spread where they can enter times and appointments from say 5 a.m. to 10 p.m.? Or maybe you would like to do a horizontal layout. And also, maybe you don't want a weekly layout at all. Maybe you'd like to do a daily layout, so there is a new page for every single day. So all of these things you want to think through, as well as some additional addendum items you might want to add to your planner. Like maybe you want a section for them just to take notes, or you want to add some trackers like a fitness tracker or a water tracker, or just leave it open-ended. And maybe you want to put some sections in there for meal planning or for budget planning. You know, think about the experience that you want your end user to have, and maybe also think about who this planner is being designed for. And of course, a big, huge thing is it going to be dated or will it be undated? Both of those typical designs are totally normal, and either one will work inside digital planning. Now, you actually have to design it, so you could use anything. You could use Microsoft Word, you could use Microsoft Excel, you could use obviously Adobe InDesign, which is my favorite, but you can also design it in Canva or PicMonkey or PowerPoint. A lot of people do it in Keynote. So any of those tools work just fine for the design. Now, the second step after you design it is then you need to make it interactive. So what does that mean? The whole point of a digital planner is really that it has months that are clickable. So if I click on January, when I say click, I mean with my Apple Pencil or with my finger, then in theory, the planner should just open up to the beginning of January. If I click on or tap on December, it should skip ahead and open to December. It's kind of like magic, right? So for the end user, it should be a seamless process. They shouldn't have to worry about what's going on behind the scenes. They should just know that your digital planner works. So you just need to make it sure that your digital planner is interactive. So if you have tabs that say any part of the planner, like those additional addendum sections we talked about, whether it is the note section or it is your fitness tracker, and they click or tap on that tab, it should take them right to that page so they don't have to think about it. The third thing is you're going to have to export it as a PDF. So in the old days, if the older versions of GoodNotes, you did have to export it a special way as a .goodnotes.zip file. You don't have to do that anymore. It can just be exported as a PDF. You just need to make sure all of your links stay active inside of that PDF. So it's just a document that has links inside of it that go to all of those different areas. So you'll just have to make sure you save it in the right format. Now, the fourth thing is, where can you sell it? Super easy. You can sell it on your own website. I know Jess has her digital planner that she just sends out to everyone via social media, on her website. She emails people. Like, she just tells everyone, hey, I have a really great digital planner, and if you would like to buy it, here it is. You could also put it on Etsy. You could put it on a different aggregator site. There are many sites like Etsy where you can sell digital downloads. You could also just go ahead and sell it through a collaboration or a partnership with somebody else. So lots of different options for you to sell your digital planner. So let's go over that list really easy from the beginning. The first is you just need to design it, and any tool will work. Use the tool that works best for you. Obviously, if you come over to my site, everything is in Adobe InDesign, just because I think that is the better tool for any sort of layout, like a planner or a magazine or a workbook. The second thing is you are going to need to make it interactive. So when I say digital planner, what I'm expecting is that when I tap on the different tabs inside your digital planner, it will take me there automatically like magic. And the third thing is you need to make sure that you export that PDF so that it is in a clickable format. So make sure to export it correctly. And the fourth thing, and really easy, is just let everybody know that you have it for sale. Or you can go ahead and sell it on Etsy, and then it will be searchable and people will come flocking to you immediately, because digital planners are actually really huge. It's a huge growing area of planners. And I think more and more people are buying iPads because they are becoming more affordable versus, I think in the beginning they were kind of just cost prohibitive. But now, because they have smaller versions and they have educational versions, a lot more people have iPads that can utilize GoodNotes. All right, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. And I do have a really quick and easy digital planner starter checklist just to kind of get you going and help you to just think through all of the steps. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Thank you so much, Lisa, for hopping on and teaching us that. Was that not awesome, guys? And honestly, they're not as hard as you think to make or to sell, for that matter. You just really need to create a quality product and get it out there so that the world actually knows you have it. So I have linked several videos throughout this video, popping across cards, where I talk about the digital planners or how to sell digital products. And Lisa gave you a ton of tips as well. But if you are looking for other videos to watch, I've linked several down below in the description. And I would love for you to go over and give Lisa some love over on her channel, especially if you're looking for more tutorials just like this. She has a lot of digital planning tutorials, a lot of tech tutorials, all the things over there. So I have linked her channel below as well, but it is called Pretty Fabulous Designs, and I would love for you to go check that out with her because she is amazing. Happy planning, y'all!